Hello guys and welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to work on different methods like the append and prepend, after and before. These are the four different methods, so we are going to work on it. So now box, oh this should be dot box, and right after that append. So inside that we need to assign the string, and after that semicolon to close the function. So append, and I'm going to write h3. This is a jQuery text. I'm going to close the h3. You guys have noticed one thing, that we have used these tags in the .html method, right? So what does that append method do? As you can see that inside the box we got the first element, h3 element. The append method will do, it will assign the h2, the h3 tag, which we have, this is the jQuery text, after the hello one. So let me save the page. When I will click refresh and when I will click the button, you guys will notice that this is a jQuery text will be shown after this hello one. So as you guys have noticed that this is a jQuery text, it is showing after the first element. So this is the first element, and after that this is the last element in the div. So what does the prepend method do? It will make this element the first element of the div. As you guys have noticed in the append, this hello one is the first element, and this is the jQuery text is the last and the second element. But in the prepend, it will make this is the jQuery text the first element. So when I will click the refresh, when I will click the button click me, then it will show that this is a jQuery text before hello one tag. So as you guys have noticed that this is a jQuery text is showing before the hello one. So right, so guys, we have learned that how to use append and prepend method. So now we are going to work on after. What does this after method do? It will assign this element after the box. So when I will click the button, as you guys have noticed that it has assigned the value after the box, means it will assign the element what we are working on, whether we are working on div or h3. In this case we are working on the h3 text, so it will assign this h3 text after the div of box, right? So this is the after method do, and when I use the before method, then it will assign the tag, this tag before the div. So when I'll refresh the page, as you guys have noticed that this is the jQuery text is now showing before the div element. So guys, we have learned in this class that how to use append, prepend, after and before, right? So this is very simple and easy to learn. So guys, I hope you understand. So in the next classes we are going to work on different methods. So till then, stay tuned, have a nice day.